In the redesigned Styles panel, you can now find all of your styles created in ARCHLine.XP. All the categories are listed in the drop-down menu where you can select the style you want to use. Select the curtain wall. As you can see, the list is divided in two parts. In the top part, you can see the recently used styles, which makes it easier to find the most commonly used styles. In the bottom part, you can see all the saved styles categorized into folders. Click on a style to select it, and when you start the comment, the object will use the properties set in the style. For the most commonly used elements, it is enough to click on the style's name, and the comment is activated. You just have to place it on the floor plan or in the 3D view. Activate the door category in the Styles panel and select a door style. When you move the mouse over a wall, the comment is active and you just have to place it where you want it to be. To change between the styles, you just select another one from the list. When you already use the style, it will appear in the recently used list. This panel enhances your productivity by making it easy to use the elements and styles you want with just one click. You can also search for the style's name if you don't find it at the first sight in the list. When you create a new style in the Properties dialog of a comment, it will be automatically listed in the Styles panel. Make the changes you want in the Properties dialog of the element, save it as a new style, or overwrite an existing one and close the dialog. In the Styles panel, the new style will automatically appear with the latest settings. Find the element type in the list and use the new style to create the desired room and area stamp or any other element in your project.